Hello everyone, my name is Rajguru Sagar. In today's video, we will discussing about drug discovery, clinical trial, and post-marketing surveillance. These all things we are discussing in this video. So we will start from the drug discovery. For drug discovery, there are four stages. That is target identification, target validation, lead identification, and lead optimization. These four stages are required for making and creating a new drug. Mm, So first of all, we will see target identification. Before that, we have to see what is the drug. Drug is a substance. Drug is any substance which are helpful for improving health of human. That is medicine, we can say. For making a drug, for creating a one drug, there are some stages. First stage is a target identification. So, what is the target identification? Suppose any patient has suffering from diarrhea, and we have to make one drug for the diarrhea. So, we identify the target. We have a diarrhea, and we want to make a drug for the diarrhea. This is diarrhea is our target, and second one is a target validation. So, in target validation, that means which chemical we are uh, choosing for creating a drug, and the disease is supported or not. That means I want to say target is valid or not, and which chemical we are using for any particular disease is valid or not. Chemical is valid or not, or disease are valid or not. This we all check in target validation process. After that, lead compound identification process is lead compound identification. That is suppose we have for diarrhea disease 100 or many more molecules, but which particular molecule shows a proper property or proper characteristic those I want for that particular disease. That is, we are taking diarrhea. So this is a lead compound identification. After that, lead optimization stage are so in lead optimization process, the drug is not completed. Drug is showing characteristics up to 50 to 60 percent, showing a proper characteristic for the disease. So we have to modify to the drug. These all modification are occur in lead optimization process. This is a drug discovery process. Now we will see clinical trial and post marketing surveillance. But before clinical trial, we have to do preclinical trial. That is all are on animal. So there is also some process, there is also some requirement for preclinical trial. We are not confirming, we are only taking one drug which are showing 60 to 70% characteristic or benefit for the any particular disease. But for confirming 100% this drug is safe for human use, we have to do preclinical trial and clinical trial. After that, post marketing surveillance has take a part in the clinical trial. So we start from preclinical trial. So what is preclinical trial? Preclinical trial is very important for uh, confirming that this drug is safe or beneficial on human. That's why in preclinical trial there are using 10 to 15 animals for checking drug safety and efficacy of the drug. We are using in preclinical trial 10 to 15 small plus large animal, that is on mouse, uh, dog, in small plus monkey. These all types of 10 to 15 animal we are using in preclinical trial. After that, after confirming this drug is safe on animal, this drug has not this drug is not harmful on animal, then we can start uh, clinical trial. But before that, preclinical, after happening preclinical trial, we have to fill one form, that is a NDA form, that is a new drug application form. After confirming this drug is safe on animal, we will fill the NDA form, that is new drug application form, and for approval NDA form is submitted to FDA, that is a Food Drug Administration, that is a regulatory body. After regulatory body approval, we can start clinical trial. Then clinical trial, there is four stages of clinical trial. That is first stage is safety and efficacy of drug. We are using 20 to 80 healthy volunteers are in first stage for checking safety and efficacy of drug on human. This stage first, that is the safety and efficacy of drug. This stage is occur up to 1 to 2 months on 20 to 80 volunteers. After confirming this drug is not get harmful for human volunteer, then we can start up to 1 to 2. After 1 to 2 months we can start stage second, that is a therapeutic exploration stage. In therapeutic exploration stage, we can use 100 to 500 volunteer, and in phase second we are taking particular volunteers for checking safety and efficacy of drug on a particular volunteer. That is, so suppose we want to make a drug on diarrhea. That's why in phase second we will take 50% volunteer is of diarrhea disease for checking safety and efficacy of drug on diarrhea volunteer. After confirming this drug is not get harmful and not any, in phase second we are seeing that this drug is safe or not on diarrhea people, diarrhea disease people, or also on healthy people. We can use 50% volunteer is of diarrhea and 50% volunteer is of healthy people. We can use. After confirming this drug is safe and effective on both type of volunteer, we can start phase third, that is the therapeutic confirmation stage. For phase 3 we can use 500 to 3000 volunteer is all for confirming this drug is safe on each and every type of volunteer. That means some patient is of diarrhea, some patient is of diabetes, some patient is of healthy. These all people are we can use in this phase, that is a therapeutic confirmation group for checking final safety and efficacy of drug on each and every type of volunteer. After we confirming this drug is safe and effective on human volunteer, we can start phase 4. Before starting phase 4, we have to do one activity, is that we have to fill NDA form, that is the new drug application form, and for approval the form is sent to FDA. FDA is review all the things of preclinical trial and clinical trial. These all things are investigated by FDA. After they are give the approval for phase 4. Phase 4 is a post marketing surveillance phase. That is a in phase 4, that means we are confirming the drug is safe and effective on human volunteer of each and every type of people, each and every type of volunteer. Then we can start phase 4. In phase 4, the drug is ready for the market. When after confirming drug is come into the market, and we can say phase 4 is a post marketing surveillance. But after launching the drug into the market, the responsibility of research and development team is not complete. They also observe all in area what is drug effectiveness showing. These all things are also occur in phase 4. Thank you.